If you are overwhelmed, you most likely need systems. And I'm going to talk to you about a few things that you can start doing to not only make your life easier, but your business seamless. This is actually a training that I gave the women that I work with, and I wanted to share it with you because it's very valuable. But these are things that you can implement today. So let me show you.
We need to simplify our business. Back in 2015, I decided to become an entrepreneur with my husband. I'm like, okay, well, I guess I'll be in your business. Sure, I'll figure out something I'm going to do. It was a mess. We were both trying to figure out how to even become an entrepreneur. We had files everywhere. If you would come to our little 1-bedroom cave, everything was everywhere. That brought trouble because with that chaos comes consequences. And that's something that a lot of people don't talk about. Like all that chaos that we made ourselves brought David legal problems because there was no consistency. There was no system. Tell me in the chat if you're with me. Now, we're going to talk about these systems for your business because systems for your business are really for your team, the team that you're building. Whether you're talking about a drop shipping, Amazon, if you're selling tortillas, like you need systems in your business, no matter what. Implementing these systems you're going to have to tweak them. You're going to test them. How does it work for you? And if they don't test exactly like it doesn't work for you that way, you're going to change these systems, tweak them and refine them, and then continue to implement them. That's how you're going to get to the next level. Yes, girl, I'm back. Okay, presentation. I was feeling inspired today, so you guys get a nice little slideshow today. When I do this, my day goes seamless. Like today, okay? I woke up, my child didn't let me sleep. She woke up 400 times. And just having my calendar simple and just already there, I didn't have to look for any Zoom links. I didn't have to scramble. Everything was in my Zoom calendar. So I'm going to show you what I'm talking about. In your Zoom calendar, as soon as you make an appointment, maybe you registered, I register for like 1 million webinars a day. If you register for a webinar or a class or an online something, put it in your calendar immediately. Do it immediately. It takes an extra 30 seconds, maximum a minute, because it's going to save you so much time. How much simpler is it if you just open your phone and you can click on the link? And that is the setting that Zoom has. So who uses this already? Tell me in the chat if you do this, but this is something that you should start implementing if you don't. Another thing that you can do is have your notes for your call. I can do it on my phone, and then on my computer, it was already there. Okay. So this is something that you can start doing if you need to, like I said, if you need to make notes, if you need to have a follow-up call. I have like a little check-in, like who do I need to check in with? Here you go. On the side, you can make sure to take a look at that and then erase whoever it is that you're checking in. I love that a lot of you already implement these systems, and that is so amazing. So social media is something that it needs to be fun. This is a very quick and easy 3-step system for social. I do have a whole elaborate system, but I'm going to keep it simple for you. I'm going to tell you 3 things to do. The very first thing you're going to do is brainstorm and plan. Well, you can do research. You can see what are some of the people that are making money in this business or your competitors posting. Just brainstorm. Take a look at it. Step number 2, after you do that, you're going to write some captions. The reason why I say to do this is because sometimes we don't feel motivated writing captions. Like, I'm not in the mood today. You already have something written and ready. And again, this could be a recurring event. It could be like maybe the 1st and the 15th, I'm going to do this. Next is record and take photos. I don't like taking photos. It's not my jam. It's not something that I love doing. This is part of your business. You are the face of your business. So I'm telling you, I'm being that friend to you. You need to take pictures and record and do whatever you need to do. I want you to start looking at where, and I was talking to one of the girls earlier, what is your business missing? What system is your business missing? Is it a welcome VIP system? Like, what do you do when you get a new customer? Now what? If it's not seamless, if it's not the same thing like every single customer, then that is a missing link. Onboarding. What if you get a new business partner or someone that partners up with you? What's the next step? Pre-made templates. And I'm going to show you a super fun hack. You may already know this. And if you don't, we are going to take a look at how to do that.
Can you do me a favor and hit that thumbs up button so YouTube can let others know that this video is for them? Okay, let's go back.
In your Instagram settings, you're going to go to that settings little line. Then in that settings, you're going to go to creator. If you have a business account, it's the same thing. All you're just going to press is business, and it looks exactly the same. You're going to go to saved reply. Okay. And with that saved reply, you're going to start making saved replies. So as you can tell here, I have a Calendly link, and that's how you book a one-on-one call with me or a check-in call with me. So that's there already. I don't have to scramble and look for it and go to the app and copy paste. Like, it's already there. I have all of the Zoom links that I need. I have my hair quiz. I have my perks. I have the disclaimer. Like, you can do this. These things are going to start simplifying your business. And even though it doesn't seem like a big deal to just have these saved replies there, it is a big deal because it's just another stress, and it's another little thing that's just like nitpicking at. Like, you can just have your skin quiz, hair quiz, frequently asked questions all here. Something, if you can't implement all of this, just implement one thing, just one.
If this helped you in any way, please share it with someone. Share it with one of your biz besties, your best friend. Go ahead and share it, and I'll see you in the next video.